Welcome to A Sustainable Life. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some delicious peanut butter ginger noodles. I know it sounds a little bit weird, but trust me, it works really, really well. And what's great about this recipe is that you can make the sauce ahead of time, freeze it in little ice cubes, which I'll show you how to do. And it's going to be so easy on any weeknight to just throw it together and with a couple of veggies and make a delicious dinner. So with that said, let's get started.
After all of this is blended, the sauce will be quite thick, but you can thin it out with a little bit more sesame oil or water if you'd like. Pour it into an ice cube tray, preferably a silicone one, or silicone molds, and even them out. You can use a spatula or a bench scraper to make these really nice and even. Freeze for at least 5 to 6 hours or overnight. Take out the frozen cubes and transfer them into a reusable freezer bag, another silicone one like I use in my video. You don't have to do this, but I find that it's just a lot easier to store this way. Now drop 2 to 3 sauce cubes into your bowl that you'll use to eat your noodles in, and pour in just enough water to stir through and melt this into a thinner sauce. When ready to eat, cook up some noodles and any other accompaniments like bok choy, tofu, broccoli, peppers, mushrooms, cauliflower, whatever you'd like. Now drain your noodles and then pour into your bowl along with any other additional toppings. Get creative and mix it up. I'd love to see what you've come up with. So if you do make this recipe, please let me know in the comments below or share it to me on my Instagram. I'm at A Sustainable Life.
So I'd be crazy if I didn't tell you that you need to have these with some coconut water. Any kind of Asian food is amazing with coconut water, so you should try it. Anyway, so here is the taste test. All right. Usually I put in a lot more spice, but I tried to make it a little bit easy on you guys. Probably not as crazy as I am. Yes. Looks amazing. I still don't really know how to use chopsticks. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you like my recipe. If you do, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.